We'll guide you through how to get ChatGPT on your PC. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So firstly, just go and open up Chrome, as that's the browser I'm doing it in, and then you can follow it step by step, but all browsers do have a similar functionality. So in your browser, just head to the top right and click on the three dots, and then go down to more tools. And what we want to do is go and create a shortcut to ChatGPT. And what we can also do is go and give it its own window as well. I'll show you that now. So tap create shortcut. And what you want to do is click on open as window, press create, just like that. And then as you can see, it will then go and pop up ChatGPT in its own window, and we can close off our main Chrome browser. And at the bottom, we've also gone and got ChatGPT's app icon as well. And then what we could do is right click it, pin up to our taskbar. I can close off of it, and I can open it up, and it will take us straight to the ChatGPT website. So it's basically got its own app. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.